It's morning. You open your laptop. You want to start a YouTube channel, but you have no idea what niche to pick. No script, no voiceover, no visuals, and zero editing experience. By the end of today, you will have all of that from a single tab without breaking the bank. This isn't a what-if video. I actually did this. I picked one of the fastest growing faceless niches on YouTube right now, built the entire content system around it, and I'm going to show you every single step, including the exact prompts I used, so you can do the same tonight. The niche is called VBR, which simply means visualizing being rich.
Monday, 8 in the morning, your phone buzzes, a bank notification, deposit received, $1 billion, your name. You read it again, then again, it is real. But there is one condition: you have exactly 24 hours to spend every dollar.
Channels in this niche are getting millions of views, and monetized too. Let me show you how to build this, and the one tool that makes it all possible. The tool is called ChatLLM by Abacus AI. Link is in the description and pinned comment right now. Here's why this is different from everything else I've tried. As a creator, I'm paying for Claude, Gemini, 11 Labs, and image tools, anywhere from $60 to $150 a month. And I'm constantly juggling different tabs for different tasks. ChatLLM by Abacus AI puts all of it in one place. Every major AI model, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Grok, DeepSeek, image generation, video generation, voice generation, a full AI agent. One tab, one login, $10 a month. And the feature that changes everything is called Route LLM. Instead of guessing which AI model handles each task best, Route LLM picks automatically based on what you're doing. You stop thinking about which AI and start thinking about what you want to build. Here's the full workflow. The first thing I did was run a keyword research prompt. Watch what Route LLM does before a single result appears. It reads the task, decides which model handles research best, and routes automatically. GPT 5.6 Tera for this one. I didn't choose that. It did. Now look at what came back. Before it even shows keywords, it leads with this insight. This is worth more than any keyword list. Next, 25 keywords ranked by intent. These are phrases people are already searching for, and 20 ready-to-use titles, each one with wealth and a consequence built in. POV, you have $1 trillion, but you must spend it in 7 days. The topic I'm going with: you have $1 billion and 24 hours to spend it all. Deadline, impossibility, curiosity. 3 things that make people click and stay. Now here's where most creators go wrong. They'd just ask an AI to write a script. I'm not doing that. I'm using a scripting formula borrowed from a completely different niche: niche bending. You don't copy a channel. You extract what's working in one niche and apply it somewhere else entirely. Here's the prompt. Now look at this hook. Monday, 8 a.m. Your phone buzzes. A bank notification. Deposit received, $1 billion. No welcome, no intro, just straight into the scenario. Your brain has no choice but to keep reading. Every 2 to 3 minutes, the viewer gets something that makes them go, "Wait, seriously?" But here's something most people skip, and it costs them later. See these notes in brackets? These are production direction notes, great for the editor. But if you paste this directly into a voice tool, your narrator is going to say, "Stickman freezes, blinks twice," out loud. So before Voiceover, open any text editor, remove all the bracketed scene directions, keep only the words that will actually be spoken. Don't skip this step. It takes 5 minutes. Now we generate the voiceover. Still in Abacus AI, open Studio, click Image to Video feature, then toggle to Speech. I select Text to Speech. Now I pick which AI to use. I'm going with 11 Labs. Pick the voice that fits your channel identity. Paste the clean script in, the version with all the scene directions removed. No separate 11 Labs tab, no extra subscription cost, generated inside the same tool.
Monday, 8 in the morning, your phone buzzes, a bank notification, deposit received, $1 billion, your name. You read it again, then again, it is real.
Save it to your device. Now that the voiceover is done, before we touch any images, there's one quick step that makes the entire editing process 10 times easier. I upload the voiceover audio to a transcription website. Click Subtitle. In seconds, it converts the audio into a time-stamped transcript, every line of narration matched to the exact second it plays. I copy this time-stamped transcript. This is what I feed into the image prompt generator, alongside the reference channel link. Without timestamps, the AI is guessing which image goes where. With timestamps, every image prompt gets labeled by the exact second it appears in the video. So when I download the files and open CapCut, the file names tell me exactly where everything goes. 30 seconds of work saves hours in the edit. Now we need a little motion. Content that is only still images can feel like a presentation slide. So we run one more quick prompt for the key scenes. This one identifies just 5 peak emotional moments and generates video prompts only for those, and we move to visuals. Now I copy the image prompts from the document and paste them into the generation feature. And while this is generating, I want to point something out. Look at what we've done in one single tab: niche research, scripting, voiceover, image prompts, and now generating visuals. Everything. One tab, $10 a month. These images came out really impressive, and you can see the quality. Now I download. It comes as a zip file. Unzip it and look. Every image is already named by its timestamp. When I open CapCut, these file names tell me exactly where each image goes in the timeline without any guessing. Import everything. All the images and the voiceover. Drag the voiceover onto the audio track. Arrange the images in timestamp order. Now, because the files are pre-labeled, the edit is straightforward. For the 5 key video scenes, I go back into Abacus AI, switch the drop-down to Video, leave the model to pick the best video generator, select the aspect ratio and duration, and paste the video prompts. Here are some of the videos generated. When it's done, add the video clips to the video project on the timeline in CapCut. Apply a filter. Do some minor edits like adding keyframes, animation, and transitions. Not too much, just where necessary. And here's the result.
Monday, 8 in the morning, your phone buzzes, a bank notification, deposit received, $1 billion, your name. You read it again, then again, it is real. But there is one condition: you have exactly 24 hours to spend every dollar.
Last step, the upload package. I paste the final prompt, add a viral channel in the niche as the reference, and add the full script. Abacus.ai analyzes the reference channel's proven title and thumbnail patterns and applies them to our specific content. 3 title variations. Each one follows a proven formula from the niche. 3 thumbnail concepts: background, main text, key visual, emotion. I love the second one. The same prompt provides the full SEO-optimized description and 25 tags. And that's it. One niche, one tool, one tab. All of it inside ChatLLM by Abacus AI for $10 a month. Try it out today. Link is in the description and the pinned comment. And drop a comment telling me which part of this workflow surprised you most. For me, the visuals were genuinely top-notch, and the fact that Route LLM automatically selects the best AI model for every task. That's what makes this different from anything else I've used. If you want the full prompt vault I used for this entire build, drop prompts vault in the comments and I'll pin them there. Subscribe for more AI channel builds. See you in the next one.